In this recording, we're going to look at BPMOnline Sales using WalkMe as a way to onboard your users. So on the left-hand side, we have our WalkMe editor, and on the right, we've got BPMOnline Sales. So let's start with our Create a Lead in BPMOnline, walk through, select Play, and click the plus sign for New, select Lead. Now we're going to enter in the desired information. So here, we'll include all the information we need. When we're done, simply choose Save. And we're done. As you can see, it's a very quick and easy way to get users used to using BPMOnline, as well as having a consistent way to deploy and deliver training. If you have any questions at all, let us know, or if you have any time, go to www.walkme.com for more details.